Denver, I know you don't like to take your ear medicine, but we gotta do it. Come here. Come here. Come on. Let me see.
What in the world do you do with these dogs? I heard they were all about your personal space, but this is unreal. She has a whole seat with a blanket and a chew toy, and look where she's riding.
He's so forceful at this biscuit factory.
I'm not sure yet though, but maybe we'll go for a walk, we'll go potty, we'll see grandma, and maybe we'll go get some tacos. We can go get a taco, maybe some yes, high five. Wait, oh no, high five.
Arthur, can you go play the piano? Singing too. Very nice, Arthur. Very good. Good boy, play piano.
Tonka, where are you? Come here, Pa. Tonka. Tonka, where are you? Tonka.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh my god.
Where'd it go? No!
Maximus? Maximus?
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Get your ball, River. Get it.
Get
Get it. Get it, River.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts.
Nova. Oh, hey there.
What you doing?
Oh. Yay! They were not in their face. Not in their mouth, anyway. Okay, Lua, okay. Oh! Are you okay, Loop? That was karma. That was karma.
Go ahead and jump and oh dang it. Okay, let's try again. Back it up and jump and dang it. Let's see. Oh I did it!
Grrr. 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 What? Grrr.
Emmy's go. You'll go. Take one. Good boy. Okay, you'll go. Yeah, Emmy won. Excuse me, I didn't say you could take them.
Because you're focused and you're disciplined and you know that you're not gonna eat that until I say go.
Well, sometimes. Oh, but not again. Really, Izzy?
Okay, do you want to go over with me how she got in here?
Huh?
You just let her in. I know you did.
Dale un beso a la abuela. Buenas noches. Buenas noches a la abuelita.
Bear, are we sleeping? Llévatelo. Running star. Oh.
You okay there, Cooper?
Somebody once told me.
Oh, you my puppy dog. Huh? Charlie Chan. Butter. Charlie.
Vamos.
Hands up.
Was it you, Rudy? Did you get into Rudy? Did you get into the tissue box? How about you, Willow? Did you get into the tissue box?
You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
What's this? What happened here?
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué le pasa? Me cago en Dios. Mi corazón.
Like, sweetheart, do you want to get out? Do you want me to help you out? No. Sure.
Hey, help Chuck. Help the cart.
Be nice, Nico.
Good boy.
Yeah. No. Be nice to those puppies.
Good boy.
Right. Go then.
Excuse me, Mr. Man.
Unemployed, hungry, dirty, sad.
He come in.
Roses, come here, you want baby. She's gonna try to nurse you.
Who's your best friend? Yoshi is your best friend?
Don't cry, he's your buddy, isn't he? You wanted one, didn't you? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Are you mad? Are you mad? Patient.
I have the craziest dog.
Hello.
What are you doing? Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley? Who did that?
Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on, Cass. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Good boy. Look at that boy. Good dog.
It's a swimming pool!
Oh my god. Let her melaba. Dapat why? This is how this is just so you may hold the doors. I know.
Sen bana taşak mı geçiyorsun?
Clark, do you have my water bottle? Can I have it, please? I'm gonna drop it. Thank you.
Momo, how's that gate working for you?
What are you doing, Harley? Are you kidding me?
Go to sleep.
Primrose. Prim. Prim. Stop, stop, stop. Prim, Prim. There we go.
Ayuda. Ayuda. Dame que soltar este empezó todo. A ver. Ayúdenme. O sea, ayúdame, Canela, con tus hijos.
Oh. Morning. Good morning.
So she's very tiny.
I know. She's a miracle cat. Aren't you, honey? Blue, get your nose out of there. Get your nose in here.
Moosey, were you sniffing the pollen? No. Hey, Moose, sit. Sit.